Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cutting machines for fabric that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Fiskars electric rotary fabric cutter. This compact and cost-effective machine is perfect for those who need an entry-level solution for cutting fabric. Equipped with an industrial-grade octagonal blade, it offers a cutting thickness of up to 27 millimeters, which is impressive for its size. The automatic sharpening system ensures the blade stays sharp for prolonged use, making it a reliable choice for both straight and curved cuts. The design is lightweight and portable, making it easy to maneuver, but the build quality doesn't feel as robust as some of the higher-end options. It performs well with multi-layer fabrics, including cotton, silk, and synthetic fibers, and is suitable for light commercial use. However, it lacks advanced ergonomic features and might feel slightly cumbersome during extended cutting sessions. For $64.19, this cutter offers great value for casual users or small businesses. However, it's not ideal for highly demanding tasks, as its performance can lag with thicker or tougher materials. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for occasional use, this one ticks the box. Pros include affordability and a reliable sharpening system, while cons include limited durability and lower precision compared to premium models. At number 4, we have the GPOAS 110-volt electric rotary fabric cutter. This machine is very similar to the ScanNCut cutter, but comes with a slightly heavier build and an upgraded blade mechanism for smoother operation. It features a cutting thickness of up to 27 millimeters and handles multi-layer fabrics with ease, making it a good option for small factories or home workshops. The automatic sharpening system ensures reliable performance over time, and the machine is capable of cutting in both straight lines and curves. The design includes a durable alloy steel blade and a plastic handle that's relatively ergonomic, although it could benefit from additional padding for comfort. The machine shines in precision tasks, especially when paired with auxiliary tools like rulers or tailor's chalk. However, at 6.93 pounds, it's slightly heavier than similar models, which might affect portability for some users. Priced at $65.99. The GPOAS cutter offers solid performance for its price point, but it's still very much a mid-tier option. It's a good choice for users who need a dependable cutter for semi-regular use. Pros include its cutting precision and durability, while cons include slightly bulkier handling and limited advanced features. Taking the number 3 spot is the VEVOR fabric cutter. This machine stands out for its cordless operation, powered by a 2500 mAh lithium battery, making it ideal for users who value mobility and convenience. It features 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 600 to 1400 RPM, allowing precise control for different types of fabric. With a cutting thickness of up to 1.1 inches, this cutter can handle multi-layer cloth, leather, and more with ease. The octagonal alloy steel blade is durable and corrosion-proof, and the built-in sharpening system ensures the blade remains sharp for consistent performance. The addition of an LED work light is a thoughtful touch, especially for precision cutting tasks in dimly lit environments. However, at 5.29 pounds, it's lighter than the GPOAS but still slightly heavier than some cordless alternatives. While the price isn't listed, the VEVOR cutter is positioned as a high-performance option for both casual and commercial users. Its cordless design and adjustable speeds make it versatile, but its weight and maintenance requirements might deter some buyers. Pros include cordless operation and adjustable speeds. Cons include weight and reliance on battery life. In second place, we have the Fiskars rotary cutter and ruler combo. As the most affordable option on the list, it's perfect for beginners or hobbyists looking for a straightforward cutting solution. This manual cutter features a built-in ruler with a bold measuring grid and angle lines for precise cuts. The spring-action 45mm rotary blade ensures smooth operation, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. The build quality is impressive for its price, with durable acrylic plastic materials ensuring longevity. While it doesn't have advanced features like automatic sharpening or cordless operation, its simplicity makes it highly user-friendly. It's ideal for cutting through multiple layers of fabric, but it's limited to straight-line cuts, which might not suit projects requiring intricate designs. At just $46.97, the Fiskars Rotary Cutter offers unbeatable value for light-duty tasks. It's perfect for quilting, sewing, and crafting, but it's not suitable for heavy-duty or industrial use. Pros include affordability, portability, and ease of use, while cons include limited functionality and reliance on manual operation. Finally, at number 1, we have the ScanNCut SDX125E, the ultimate cutting machine for fabric enthusiasts. This premium device is packed with features, including a built-in scanner that allows you to convert drawings into cut files and precisely place designs. With 682 built-in patterns, including quilting templates and fonts, this machine offers unmatched versatility for creative projects. The 5-inch touchscreen LCD display makes operation intuitive, while the auto blade and material sensor technology ensure seamless cutting without manual adjustments. It can cut materials up to 3 millimeters thick, including fabric, vinyl, and even chipboard. The build quality is excellent, with a sleek titanium aqua finish that complements its advanced features. However, at $379.99, it's the most expensive option on the list. For serious crafters and professionals, the ScanNCut SDX125E is worth the investment. It's perfect for creating custom stickers, greeting cards, vinyl wall art, and more. Pros include advanced features, high precision, and ease of use, while cons include a steep price tag and a slight learning curve for beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.